Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Tableau portfolio links for analytics credibility, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Tableau portfolio links for analytics credibility, start by opening your Tableau desktop application. Make sure you have your projects and visualizations prepared. Navigate to the Tableau public website. Log in to your account with your credentials. Once logged in, click on the My Profile section. In your profile, locate the Portfolio tab. Select Edit Portfolio to begin adding your projects. To add a link, click on Add Project. Input the title of your project along with a brief description. Next, insert the URL link to your online visualization. Ensure the link directs users to a publicly accessible version of your Tableau dashboard. Consider including images or screenshots for better presentation. Review your entries for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to update your portfolio. Return to your profile to verify that the project is visible. Test the links to confirm they lead to the correct dashboards. Consider sharing your updated portfolio link with colleagues or on professional networks. Regularly update your portfolio to maintain credibility and showcase new analytics skills. Engage with your audience by responding to feedback on your portfolio. Now you're ready to leverage your Tableau portfolio for enhanced analytics credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.